Okay, the print head is clogged. So this is the printout. This is another printout. So try to print some green. This is the tree. So the green is here. The red, green, crayon, magenta, or block. So try to take this out and refill before I take out the print head and fully cleaned. So this is the set to 0 gram, and this is almost empty. You can see from here. Sorry, you can see from here. So it's 21. I refill to around 30. Let's do it. So 30. Okay, put this back. 29. Yeah. Basically, sorry, it's basically full. Can further see it before it's empty, so it's collapsed. Okay, I already filled several. Oh. Here. Okay, this is the last cartridge to be filled. I think it's around 20. Oh, it's 19. Photo magenta, so it's PM. PM. Okay, let's refill it. Okay, 30. Okay, let's check. See, this one is filled up. Okay. Oh, remember to unplug the power, otherwise it will sometimes it go back. So make sure it go to this. And then I take this out. Forgot that here. Okay. This is the print head. Okay, after flushing for about 10 minutes, clean that up. Okay, you can see the green color is start coming out, but the red is not coming out yet. Column is red, the second column is green. The green is coming out, start coming out. Let's try again. One more time. Okay, sit for maybe 2 minutes. The red is still not coming out. Okay, let's cross check the block gauge again. See this red, green, crayon, magenta, all block. So it's the red, green, crayon, magenta. This is the red, green, cyan, yellow is okay, magenta is block. Let's try using this window washer. It's a concentrate. It should be 1 part to 100 parts of water. It should be diluted. Okay, that's enough, I think. Okay, I will try to cover the cleaning agent over and also the printer. And it's not touching this electronic contact, so it won't erode. And it covers the print head underneath. Okay. Now the time is 1:28. Okay, now it's after 27 hours. 24, yeah, this the other day, and I have changed the water. I soak for about 8 hours, and then I flush with warm water, and then I put the window agent again for another 12 hours, and then I use the hot water, flush again, and then change back to water. This is clean water. You can see there's a mark. You can see the mark. There's a dent because I use this one. Try to flush it out. This is I push too hard, so you can see it's a little bit broken. This is the red one. 9:53 p.m. is dry out. Okay, let's put this back. Okay. Try again. Okay, reset. Great. Okay, it's all 10 ink cartridges put in. Let's open up. Okay, let's see. See the ink is going in already. Let's check this. Okay, I let it sit here for almost a week. This last week was busy, someone visited me, so I just let it sit like that. Haven't turned the power on. Okay, let's turn on. Okay, seems it's ready. Let's check the supply level. It's all full. Okay, let's make a print test. Still calibrating, I think. There's some improvement. Let's compare. This was before, and this is after the cleaning, so it's still not very good. Okay, let's try a let's try the cleaning. All color. Go. Oh, it's cleaning, not deep cleaning. Okay, let's print a test page. Here. Let's print jet pattern. Let's compare. Not much. Okay, I give up. Need to replace a new print head. But the printer is working. Only the print head is clogged. And after it sits for, I don't know, maybe 5 years. Okay, that's it.